All right, it's 8 minutes before 8 o'clock. Thank you so much for staying with us here on Morning Live. The provision of quality and affordable healthcare system remains a big talking point. Last week, General Electric, GE, in partnership with Standard Bank, launched the Healthcare Accelerator Program. This growth and training program is designed to provide technical, clinical, as well as business health care to professionals who have the ambition of improving and growing their existing practices, or if it's private or public. Eventually, the two companies hope the initiative will help tackle the challenges in this critical sector on the entire African continent. Jayshree Naidoo is the head of Standard Bank Incubator with the Healthcare Accelerator Program, and she joins us this morning in our studios. Good morning. Welcome to Morning Live.
Good morning. Thanks so much for having me.
Thank you so much for coming through. Now, we do know that most incubators focus mainly on the development of business ideas and so on. What separates this one from the rest?
So it's quite a unique accelerator program. It's targeted to help healthcare professionals, so doctors, radiologists, cardiologists, with business acumen. You're absolutely right. Most incubators focus on tech businesses or healthcare tech, but we decided to focus on growing the actual healthcare professional so they can become more sustainable and eventually offer better services to their patients.
Yeah, certainly. And you launched officially last week, Friday.
Yes, it was an amazing launch with wonderful individuals, and the main guest at this event was the actual healthcare practitioners. But we were fortunate that we were joined by the CEO and chairperson of GE, Jeff Emmett, as well as our CEO, who welcomed guests and just made them realize how important this focus is for healthcare in South Africa and the continent.
Yeah, and your partnership with GE. Talk to us about your partnership.
So more than just being a bank to GE, the partnership has now evolved to one where we're finding ways to collaborate on servicing the entrepreneurship needs of individuals in the country. And if you think about a healthcare professional, they're a technical expert, but it's about now growing their business acumen and their entrepreneurial competency to make them successful. And we're working on a couple of other initiatives with General Electric as well, including a high growth program for female entrepreneurs. So it's evolving to be an amazing partnership with two global organizations that have the entrepreneur at the center of their focus.
Yeah, but who's eligible to take part in this program, and how do they go about becoming part of it?
So this program has already launched, but we will be running another cohort. Applications will be open to any healthcare practitioner that's either in public or private healthcare, or is embarking on a private practice and wants business development support to take their business to the next level. General Electric is offering technical support to these individuals. That means opening up their GE Innovation Center, also based in Glen Hove, to expose them to the latest healthcare technologies, as well as the technical expertise from thought leaders that they've procured. Together with our leading experts from a business perspective, it is targeted to any healthcare practitioner.
Yeah, no, technology innovation is very vital in our day and age. But your participants, what can, or people who have the desire to become part of the program, what can they look forward into, especially in terms of the specific skills that they will be taught?
So, for example, today is the first day of the Healthcare Practitioner Program.
Okay.
I will actually be delivering content on Entrepreneurship 101. What does it take to be an entrepreneur? What's the mindset of an entrepreneur? But we'll also be joined by two other experts, York Zuki, who lectures at Gibbs, and he's a blogger, and he's written an amazing blog that I've just tweeted, as well as a Dr. Ntaba Singh, to share her stories of how she's taken the business of private healthcare to the next level. So that's the type of content individuals will be exposed to. Practical, real examples with individuals that have been there and done that. So it opens their minds to the possibility. It helps us change the narrative of what's possible for these healthcare professionals, as well as being exposed to the most recent technologies will give them an idea of what they could actually bring into their practices. So anything from the practice design to practice management software, as well as business ethics, innovation, how to think differently. So a very unique program, but designed with the healthcare practitioner at the core.
But I believe that you're also looking forward to their ideas as to how they can help, better this industry.
Yes, so we have 6 months to spend with these amazing practitioners.
So
it's going to help us look at our existing businesses that we offer healthcare practitioners. It's going to help us with business model innovation, because they will direct some of the focus towards what are we doing right as GE, what are we doing right as Standard Bank, and what are we doing wrong most importantly, so we can actually make the changes needed to really service them in an appropriate way so they can do their jobs much better.
All right. But the population, ordinary South Africans, how will they benefit from this initiative? Is it perhaps going to impact on the access and affordability?
I think if anything, hopefully, if we can see into the future, it's going to improve the experiences that they have with healthcare practitioners. You've been to a doctor, I've been to a doctor. I'm sure you don't want the doctor stressing about the business side of his business. Let him do what he's really
his full attention.
Exactly. So let him do what he's really good at. So hopefully this program improves the quality of healthcare services. And if it works really well, we plan on scaling it into the continent as well.
All right. It sounds wonderful. Thank you so much for sharing the ideas with us.
Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you very much indeed. So if you are a health professional or entrepreneur in the healthcare space seeking financial or technical assistance, here is your opportunity to take your revolutionary health idea out to the market. You can contact the Healthcare Accelerator on the link. We're going to put that link on the screen for you, and that's where you can go for further